I must admit, I love tree ferns. The thing about them is they're such an architectural ornament when you put them in the garden. Now, this one is a Dicksonia, it's a soft tree fern. And I bought this long trunk, cost a bit, but I lay it on its side. And so it's shot up from one end, which I hope, and then it's bent up in its growth from the end. Looks silly at first. And you've got this wonderful tree fern coming out over the water. So that's Dicksonia. This is a Cyathea. These grow much quicker with a thinner trunk, but they've also got their architectural wonderful things about them. Do look at tree ferns and have a think. Where do they grow? Well, a little bit out of the sun. These all grow in full sun. This one, I suppose, about 60-70% sun is perfect. And if that one you'd buy with the trunk, this one you get the plant and it gets that in a few years. Lovely things, tree fern. Cyathea, Dicksonia. And if you are using them, have the courage. Look, if I see this one is right back there, sometimes planting them horizontally creates fabulous effect, particularly after a few years when it starts to bend up towards the light. If you've got a pond, think of some of these tree ferns. They just go together.